What's up, guys? It's Titus, CEO of T-Veril, and today we'll be looking at some new stuff my sister sent in. Shout out to her. She sent some amazing stuff for me so I can do for my t-shirts. It's one of the iron ones that she sent for me. Shout out to her. I'm gonna put her IG in the description for her DECOR page and her regular page. So shout out to her. All right, let's get to it. So we have the first one. It's this simple T-Veril. We're gonna put this on the shirt. It looks very decent, very clean. I might have messed it up, I don't know. These are homemade as well, so it's my first time using them. I hope nothing goes wrong. Let's get to it. Just make sure you come closer to the shirt, make sure everything looks good. When you're on the shirt, you don't want to put it on there first. You gotta make sure the shirt's ironed. Somewhat ironed. Make sure you get all the wrinkles out. And if you are looking to start a clothing brand or whatever, a t-shirt brand, use Bella Canvas, because Bella Canvas is the best quality people you can go to. The best quality. No wrinkles. Press it one more time. All right, now let's put the logo on. Make sure the E is centered. Look straight. Make sure it's not too low. Are you still what? We have some technical issues with our cameraman. Camera one man is acting a little out of proportion. Press for a good 15 seconds. Yeah, so my sister, she does a lot of different things on her page. She does plates, she does shirts, she does everything. So if you gotta go to her page, check it out. She does a lot of nice things, and she's doing pretty well. So shout out to my sister, big time.
What is her IG?
Yeah, I gotta press it one more time. In the comments, you guys let me know if you guys are let me know if you guys are starting your own clothing brand. Let me know what you guys prefer, what t-shirts you like, things you like to do for your clothing brand. Just spread the knowledge. Let's help each other out. All right, let's get through this together, because this is T-Veril's journey. We're trying to get through this together. Should be good. some reason it's not sticking on the shirt. I think it's because of the plastic. It's sticking more to the plastic than it is to the shirt.
So you may have to turn the heat up.
Nah, let's pause the video. What's up, guys? We back. I made the t-shirt. I found out what the problem was. It was a cool peel, not a hot peel. So a cool peel, the difference between cool peel and hot peel is when you peel it, the hot peel is you can peel it off hot. As soon as you pull it up, you can pull it off hot. But cool peel is when you let it sit, you let the shirt breeze out, chill out for a few seconds. And then after that, you just peel it. And it came out like this. It looks pretty decent, I think so. Yeah, next we're gonna do a hat. This hat right here, we're gonna put some logos on here. It looks pretty plain and bland right now, but we're gonna add some spice to it. Let's get to it. Bow. What's up, guys? I'm back. I finished the hat. Sorry I couldn't show you guys how I did the hat. I had to go somewhere, had some errands to run, but put that to the side. It looks pretty good. The hat is nice and fitted, feels good, looks good. There's a little spot on here. I gotta get that off. Yeah, so the hat's pretty good. Remember, it's cool peel. You wait a few seconds to peel it off. Other than that, yeah, it's pretty nice. And for the shirt still looks good. It's nice and fitted. Alright, and another thing, I'm getting ready to drop my merch shop, T-Veril. I have t-shirts just like these on there. It's gonna have t-shirts, hoodies, mugs. I think we have a mouse pad as well. So when that does drop, guys, it's coming very soon, very soon. When that does drop, I hope y'all guys check it out. Make sure everything is nice. And they are also made out of these premium t-shirts as well. These shirts, they're very smooth, very fitted. Everything's nice about it. It's one of my favorite shirts all the time, so I advise you guys to get these. And one other thing about the heat press. If you guys want me to do another video on the heat presses, where you can get them, what's the price range between the heat presses, just let me know down in the comments. I'll drop a separate video about that. And other than that, the hat's pretty good. Shout out to my sister for sending me these prints because I wasn't able to make them myself, but she looked out for me and got me the prints. So I'll put her Instagram in the description. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.